Naku po naman, common sense. You are the one in charge and government. The private should not be involved. Kasi pag sila ang involved, gagawin nila yan na ma-approve yan dahil makikita sila dyan. Ano ba yan? Ba't kayo nagkaganyan? Ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng ganyan.
The innovator po is the sponsor of
They are not the innovator.
clinical trial.
They're just the, di ba, na-approve sila na sila magdi-distributor sila, hindi sila yung innovator. It came from Vietnam. They are the distributor here. Eh, sila ang mag-i-in charge, eh, di approve na yan agad.
I will take note on that.
Naku naman,
Senator.
Iho, Diyos ko, ano
Pero
nangyari
sila
sa
po
inyo?
importer ng product.
Ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng ganyan. Ako tinanong ko na sa lawyer, di ba common sense yun? Na you should be the one in charge, hindi private? Ano nangyari sa iyo?
Hindi ko pa alam yung waiver na yun doon sa...
Ay, hindi mo alam eh, ikaw ang supposed to be nagsusupervise. Ha? Ano yun? Ha? Sabi nila ang protocol dyan eh, pag ginamit mo sa trial, pag may nangyari sa kanila, ikaw magbabayad. Eh ito, nag-waiver dito na wala kayong habol sa amin kung may mangyari sa inyo.
Iwan. Kasi kaya medyo malaki yung duda, large commercial trial eh. Ano ba ibig sabihin ito? Parang anong nangyari, large commercial sale to eh. Kasi sa laki ng takot ng mga farm sa ASF, talagang pwedeng pumasok sa ganito eh. Lalo na kung makukonvince nyo na ito ay epektibo. Pero hindi pa naman approve. Yun ang problema. Ay napakaraming lugar. Paano kung sablay yan? And then biglang yan ang naging dahilan kung lalo tayong nagkalukuloko. So, and then may bayad. And then walang sagutin yung farm. Ibig sabihin, nagbigay ng waiver, ibig sabihin, okay lang, nagtitake sila ng risk. Ang ibig sabihin doon, hindi na mukhang binabakunahan na nila lahat ang kanilang alaga. Which is, hindi pa naman dapat dahil hindi pa approve. At ito yung walang pagkakaiba doon sa nangyayari sa avian flu. Napakarami nang nagbabakuna ng AI nang wala pang ina-approve bakuna ang BAI or FDA. So, ibig sabihin, talagang kami natatakot sa nangyayari. Even sa poultry sector. Yan isa rin dapat maimbestigahan. Napakarami nang gumagamit ng AI vaccine. Which is, matagal na natin sinasabi, madaliin natin ang pag-approve ng AI dahil alam namin na may mga taong gumagamit na ng AI vaccine. Eh, ito rin ang nangyayari sa ASF. Dahil malaking takot ng ng mga racers. So, wala kang pagpilian eh. Paano kung may tamaan? And then, nagbabaka sakali. Eh, iba-iba pa yung AI. Dahil yung AI, may mga approved vaccine sa ibang bansa. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Eh, ito, walang malinaw. Pero, delikado pa rin yun. Mabuti kung yung ginamit na vaccine, dahil illegal, ay yun talaga yung tamang gamitin. So, dapat madali natin yung na ito. Hindi pinapayagan. Yung clinical, dapat talaga maliit na portion lang. Dahil kung sumabog man, hindi kalat. Ito parang ang nangyayari. Pag sumabog yung palpak yung yung vaccine, buong Pilipinas meron na.
Pwedeng i-clear ko lang.
Can I ask the Department of Justice to comment na legal ba yon na walang permit, magdidiretso na sila sa mga farms?
Madam Chair, perhaps after having heard from Congressman Briones, it would appear that the clinical trials are being done as a disguise to have a commercial inoculation of swine-affected pigs, and perhaps FDA laws would be involved here. DOJ, can we do a clinical trial without approval, pre-approval? If you recall, during the COVID-19 days, before you conduct a clinical trial, you have to follow a separate standards, the number of patients to undergo clinical trial. I recall here during those days, the OST conducted a clinical trial somewhere in Santa Rosa just for 9 patients. Isang taon, hindi pa lumalabas yung results. So, medyo matagal po yun, Madam Chair, and to I'm not a scientist nor a doctor, but nasal swabs from the swines would likewise be needed. So, nasaan na yung resulta nun before a permit can be issued? How many swines were inoculated? Ang pagkakaiba nito sa tao, yung tao merong placebo. Dito walang placebo. Hindi naman may isip ng baboy kung yun talaga yun yung sinaksak sa kanya. So, there is a placebo trial for human beings which is different from swine. So, again, I think kung may violation ng FDA law. But yung FDA siguro dapat ang involved dito. Paano ka magpapapasok ng vaccines, ng gamot, ng walang permit ng FDA for a small universe of swines and piglets. Kakasama na rin yung bagong panganak na inahin. So, limited lang dapat po yon, and under the microscopic eyes of FDA in collaboration with siguro DOST, and hintayin yung resulta. Kung may resulta, at saka pa lang maglalabas ng preliminary report kung po pwede itong i-propagate. Hindi naman po yung biglaang buhos na napakarami na kagad na bakunang isasaksak. Hindi na natin alam kung ano yung epekto nun because we're dealing with viruses. Ma'am, Madam Chair, for the record, tinigil yung, I just heard the report, yung Department of Health, tinigil na yung bivalent vaccine. At 300,000 plus yung bakuna natin galing sa Lithuania, tinigil muna kasi iba raw yung epekto ng bivalent vaccine pagkatapos ng COVID natin. So, in-stop muna ng Department of Health. Ganon ka seryoso yung pagtingin dito na pag may epekto pa lang, although we're referring to human beings, pwedeng i-stop. Ito, wala nang nakatingin kung ano nangyayari. So, perhaps FDA should be involved, at you should be involved, and pwede kayong kasuhan dito ng negligence na rin for not performing your... Paano nakapasok yung viruses dito na gagamitin for trial purposes? Was there a directive coming from FDA that would allow clinical trials here in the Philippines? How long will the clinical trials last? When will the clinical trials be done? Under whose auspices or supervision? So kung wala, parang nagte-testing lang tayo rito with violating our own FDA laws right under our noses. So dapat po siguro gawin ito ng tama, Madam Chair. And we're going to allow the Department of Justice to answer. Was any law violated? Were there laws violated?
Sir, the Department of Health, FDA, requested the DOJ to render an opinion on the jurisdictional, regulatory jurisdiction over veterinary drug product. So in May this year, we released please allow me to correct, that's not department order, it's DOJ opinion number. Wait lang po, sir, check ko. It's not department order, but it's a DOJ opinion number 15, series 2023, May 5, 2023. In this opinion, we upheld the jurisdiction of the FDA over in the inspection monitoring of drugs, veterinary drug product. So basically, nagkaroon sila ng MOA noong 1991, entered into between DEN, BFAD, and BAI. So ngayon, parang na-revalidate to, nagkaroon ng JMC or yung Joint Memorandum Circular.
Can you provide the committee a copy of the
Yes, sir, I will,
circular
sir.
that you're citing?
Sir.
So, ang jurisdiction is FDA.
Yes, sir.
So, ma'am,
So,
with your permission, we can ask FDA kung nag-exercise sila ng jurisdiction. Is FDA here? Yes, nag-exercise kayo ng
thank you,
jurisdiction?
Chair.
Did you
Yeah,
comply with the JMC?
Yes, we complied. In fact, the BAI was aware of the FDA regulation. Thus, on December 2, 2022, they wrote a letter to DG Sakate that the ASF vaccine from Vietnam is safe and protects animals against ASF virus. So there was a determination.
Puro.
Director Lim Som to. And on June 23, 2023, upon the request of BAI, we issued naman po a permit to the Mr. Juan Carlos Robles po of KPP Power Commodities Incorporated.
Permit
Approval
to?
po of 6,000 to import po.
To import.
Only for field trial.
Field
Only,
trial.
not for commercial use po.
So, were the
Meaning not to be
trials
sold po.
conducted under the supervision of FDA?
Opo.
Meron?
Meaning po, yung they submitted clinical
banggit
trial
ito, narinig mo
protocol.
na yung sinabi ko, nagkaroon ba ng nasal swabbing ng mga baboy? Kayo ang nagsaswab, nasa inyo yung records, meron? Can you provide this committee a
That
copy?
is sign po of the clinical trial protocol which specify po those procedures.
So, was that complied with?
That
That
is for-
protocol?
that is for the monitor to determine po and the sponsor to answer
Like-
and the principal investigator. Let me explain
So, the
po.
principal investigator is coming from where? The private company or the FDA?
That would
Pagpasok ng bakuna ng COVID-19, kanya-kanyang trial na lang sa barangay. O mag-trial kayo dyan. Kumalap itong bakunang ito. Sige, pasok na. Di ba, ang tagal natin, emergency use authorization. Emergency use authorization, inabot tayo ng, tapos na yung COVID, emergency use authorization pa rin tayo bago nabigyan ng final certificate, di ba? So, I think FDA something is lacking here. Can you confirm that, Department of Justice? Ano ba yung dapat gawin? Pag nagbigay ng permit, o bahala na kayo mag-clinical trial dyan. Di ba may mga laboratory specimen? Di ba may mga clinical trial results na supposed to be scientific, medical, di ba?
I believe, sir, the JMC, which revalidated the JAO.
Joint Memorandum Circular.
Yes, sir.
Papel lang yun. So,
there's a
yung science
pretty
nito,
specific-
yung science,
So I'm not very particular, apologies, I'm not very particular with the volume or quantity that is allowed, but what I do know is that the JMC, which revalidated the JAO, has this, the volume and the quantity to which their jurisdiction. But I think the jurisdiction has been transferred pursuant to the revalidated JAO.
kaya ko pinwento, Madam Chair, yung University of the Philippines, nung mag-iimbento ng isang bakuna rin gamot, nakasama ang DOST sa Santa Rosa Hospital, 9 lang yung tao na subjected to clinical trials. For 2 years, siyam lang yung nag-undergo ng clinical. Ito, although we're not referring to human beings, kapasok 6,000, bahala na kayo. Ganun ba nangyari dito? So tanong ko ganito, na 300,000 pa, nasaan yung resulta? Noong sabi niyo may field, field validation, where is now that scientific finding that would show that this is safe for inoculation? Wala. So kung wala, ano yung per babo yan yung 300,000 per injection. Swine A, ito yung resulta, sinwab namin. Swine B, ito yung resulta, sinwab namin. Swine B, medyo nagkaroon ng diferensya, nilagnat, ito yung resulta. Swine C, naapektuhan yung mga piglets. Swine D, namatay. Meron tayong ganon?
Madam Chair, may I have the floor?
May I respond?
In accordance with medical procedures. Swine D, sinunog na lang, pinatay. Swine E, sinipon, pinatay. Meron po tayo nun?
Madam Chair.
300,000 po yung subjects natin dito.
Mr. Chair, Madam Chair,
I think Bai is about to answer.
So, Madam Chair, Mr. Senator, yun pong for individual farms that were under the phase 2, meron pong grouping ng animals na for vaccinated and controls. And kung sino po yung naunang kinolektahan ng blood sample from day 0 hanggang matapos po yung testing period na 120 days, yun din po yung same animal na kinokolektahan ng dugo. So lahat po ng blood samples noon at saka po yung testing, may record po.
So ang tanong ko po, may record tayo noon lahat.
Meron po.
So ang nakikita ko hong procedure sa ibang lugar, I don't know if this is done in our jurisdiction, nasal swab samples were collected from all pigs at between 2 and 5 days. Pigs that were euthanized at 5 days, may challenge Are you aware of the challenge? May challenge na tinatawag, and lungs were examined for the presence of macroscopic lesions in several lung lobes. Ibig sabihin, pati yung baga, tinitingnan. What is that? O, dugo lang tayo. May nagsuswab sa baboy, tapos in-examine yung baga.
Phase 1 iba sa phase 2.
Meron tayong gano'n? Wala.
Madam
Trabaho
Chair,
nga lang
Mr.
yun.
Senator, baka po ibang bakuna siya kasi ang purpose po ng study is to verify yung claim ng manufacturer na umaabot ng 4 months yung antibodies na kayang i-generate ng bakuna dun sa individual na animal na yon. So yun lang po yung tinetest natin kung talaga pong aabot ng 4 months.
So, balikan ko, dugo lang ang tinest natin.
Dugo po at kung meron man pong namatay na animal, kumuha po tayo ng tissues
And then?
na relevant.
So,
Tapos yung tissues po, tinest din po doon sa
meron ho
ating-
kayong pwedeng ibigay sa committee ito tungkol doon sa mga naging resulta nung
Yung phase 1 iba sa phase, ito phase 1, ito phase 2, magkaibang Talaga bang ang trial, iba yung phase 1, iba yung phase 2? Iba ang
Yes.
subject?
Yes po. Yes po. Magkaiba po.
Tama ba yun?
Madam Chairman.
ito po mga doktor, Dr. Magdaraog, Dr. all of these are FDA or by ito sila po yung nag-supervise. Ang tawag po doon study monitor. So all the results were gathered at nasa kanila po ito. Nasa BAI.
Nasa office po. Madam
Can
Chair.
we hear from Chairperson, Dr. Edna Sinaida Villacorte?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Senator Tolentino. In one of the meetings that we had with BAI, it was disclosed that the phase 2 trial was conducted because in the initial phase 1 trial, there were evidence of shedding of the vaccine.
What do you mean by
Yung
that?
shedding po is, it means it went into the other animals are exposed because the animal that was vaccinated shedded the virus through its
Yes. Nahawa?
na po. Lumabas
Okay.
po yung virus from the animal that were vaccinated.
Is that good?
It's not good po kasi vaccination, yung shedding po is one of our worries in a vaccination program.
Yun ang findings nila.
Yun po yung result, one of the results
Ba't
of the
ganun ang
initial.
findings na nilabas niya na walang problema?
Kaya po tinuloy nila into phase 2. in order
But I
to
saw the report on phase 1. Sabi niya, walang problema.
Madam Chair, can
Madam
our
Chair,
expert respond?
No, you're biased eh. You're the supplier eh. We should ask the government.
Madam Chair, he's an independent, he's not an
No.
employee of KPP.
No.
Ah.
Consultant nyo, nakalagay doon eh. Baka gusto mo pang basahin ko kung anong relationship niya doon sa bahay. Naiinis ako eh. Consultant mo siya eh. O, di syempre consultant mo siya. Di anong kontrolado mo siya. Sumagot sila.
Can you continue? So, yung shedding, how many percent?
ano po, it was evident in some of the pigs that were tested. Hindi ko po alam yung detalye po ng mga percentages, pero the report that was given was, there was evidence of shedding. That's why the phase 2 trial was conducted. What we were surprised is, together with the phase 2 trial, there's already a large-scale trial ongoing also, using the 300,000. So without the result of the phase 2, which is supposed to validate the results of phase 1.
They proceeded with a large-scale
meron na
trial.
pong large-scale, which we were worried because we do not even know what will be the effect in the industry, and we already are doing it Mindanao, Visayas, and Luzon.
Can we ask the FDA how many vaccines were allowed to be imported? For trial, nakalagay ba doon? For trial purposes?
For trial
How many?
purposes.
How many?
6,000 vial
6,000.
consisting of 50 dose per vial.
50 daw. Ito 300,000 ang pinag-uusapan natin.
Kaya nga po, 6,000 times 50 dose, 300,000 nga po.